Good morning, everyone. It's so nice to see all of you here. So many of our friends always supporting us in all the events that we do. So, I have a small question for you all. How many of you looked at the markets today before coming here? Can we have a show of hands? Okay, of course. Once you're an MFD, it's so difficult to switch off, right? You're always chasing markets. Markets are always chasing you. And that is why it's so important for us when each of you choose to pause your day's work, your busy schedules to be with us and learn so much more. You're not just running a business, you want to constantly get better, and that is already putting you ahead of so many others. A very warm welcome to each one of you at Cafe Mutual Ideas Fest 2026. Every time we do this event and we see the room filled with each of you, one truth is, something that strikes me the most is that, our industry has done phenomenally well. And it's not really about the predictions that we keep seeing, the headlines that are being made. It's not even about the fund launches. It's really about you. You are the lifeblood of the mutual fund industry. You are the reason why we are where we are today. So today is really more of a celebration of where all of us have reached, and that's primarily because of you. So big round of applause for each one of you for having made the kind of significant contribution that you all have made. We should have a round of applause for yourselves. Friends, we are in a phase which is, it's the most fast-paced phase that we are in our profession currently, in our industry. Today, we have digital investors. We are using WhatsApp as a business tool. We are using AI to write emails. And all this would not have been normal 5 years earlier, right? Today, it's an everyday work, everyday life for us. And that really tells you the pace at which we are moving. So it's really not about whether the markets will hold up and remain steady. It is not even about which fund will perform. It's far more fundamental than that. It is about how relevant will we be in the next 5 to 10 years. How will we add value and how will we change and adapt when the pace of changes is so quick? And that's exactly what Cafe Mutual Ideas Fest aims to do. We want to bring to you the ideas, the most innovative concepts. We want to bring you a lot of inspiration through success stories so that you continue to thrive, not just today or tomorrow, but from the decades to come. So that is what we are aiming to do together. We want to make this a fun learning experiences. We've put up some innovative quizzes. Melanie is going to keep asking you a lot of things. We want to make this fun. We want to learn from each other. So I urge you to please take notes, mingle with your colleagues, your peers, make new connections, and more than anything, enjoy yourself, because learning truly is beautiful when it's done together and when we are having fun. So I hope to chat with each one of you during the day and have fun, keep learning. Thank you.